ready to get on, you know? It looks like I'm or something. I'm not. Hi.
Excuse me. Are you Hikaru?
Stop your bullshit. Alright, good game. Alright, e4. Let's play c5. Obviously. Logical. Really logical. Takes. Alright. It's your turn, by the way. Ooh, so scary. Right here, I got many options. I could do. I'm so bad. I'm so bad.
Are you? I thought you were number 2 player in the world.
I mean, I don't know why I'm smoking. Like, what e4, e6, h6. What tasting? Yeah, it's just winning. Yeah, if I play e6, but I could play e6, but he could e6. No, not e6, h6. h6, knight c7, knight c7. Not my smoking. Why am I smoking? I could definitely like win this game, but to be honest, I just want to give you a whole chance here. Yeah, bring back the knight. Logical, really logical. Covering the bishop to e6. I think that's a good move. That's a really good move. That's logical.
So why didn't you want to give me an interview in Vegas?
Yeah, because you're just full of shit. Yeah, I just don't like. I just don't like giving you an interview. I have much other things to do, like playing chess and thinking about chess, dreaming about chess, and I just can't do an interview anymore. I just can't do interviews. Like I did in the past. I did interviews in the past, but I'm not doing it anymore.
But you did interview with Anna Crown lady.
Yeah, because Anna is lovable. You're just weird. All right, e6, knight c3, and then I play knight f6. Knight x6, logical.
Am I not lovable?
Well, yeah. I mean, you are you, and I am high.
Huh?
I am me, you are you. So we're just different. We're just really different. Like I'm a grandmaster, and you're not. You're just not. Like you're not a grandmaster yet. So I'm not gonna give you my time if you're not a grandmaster. That's the way it is. Sorry.
But I am a grandmaster.
No, you're not a grandmaster. You're a woman grandmaster. That's really different. You're like a CM or whatever. All right. Bishop there. Logical. It's your turn.
Different how?
Different. You're just different. You're different. You're not different, actually. You're just like the others. You're just like the others. All right, so you're taking the knight. You're taking the knight. Obviously, that's inaccuracy because you don't want to take the knight and trade the bishop for a knight. That's really not good. All right, let's see how it goes. Gonna destroy her. Let's finish it quickly with a quick checkmate. Gonna checkmate you in a second. So I'm gonna probably checkmate you in a second.
Are you suggesting that women and men are not equal in chess?
Well, actually, you have improved yourself to be decent enough to be playing at the highest level. So, yeah, basically you're not good enough. So, we have facts. There's facts to prove it. And, yeah, you're just not there yet. Maybe one day, who knows?
You think Levi can become a grandmaster?
Well, he has more chance than you. Alright, castle, logical. Gonna bring the rook in. It's your turn, by the way. Alright, if takes. Wait, what am I smoking?
Are you and Magnus friends?
Well, the relationship with Magnus is quite ambiguous, I'm gonna say. We used to be friends. We used to be friends during the pandemic. We used to play the Bound Clouds a lot. And I'm just sad that we don't play the Bound Cloud anymore. It was so fun when we played the Bound Cloud. I was such a Bound Cloud lover. We played the Bound Cloud like a lot of time. And when we played the Bound Cloud, it was really fun to play the Bound Cloud.
It's your turn.
Oh, it's my turn. Oh my god, what am I smoking? I'm so slow. Okay. Right? Rook to e8. Logical. Oh, that's a bad move. That's a really bad move. You should never retreat the knight like this. There's no way. There's no need to retreat the knight.
The girl was on time.
Yeah.
Work and talk. You got 50 seconds, brother. Move. You're gonna lose on time. There's no increment.
Really?
Yes. Move faster. I don't think it's time to checkmate you. Do you want me to give it timeouts? Who's this pathetic?
I mean, I just... To be honest, I just don't care. I just didn't understand the format. Like you didn't tell me it was a 3 minute and no increment. Like how do you say it? There was no increments.
Increment.
There was no increment. Like you didn't say that before the game. This is not in the rules. Like if there's no increment, I need to be told before the game. I literally don't care. Anyway, the chair is not good. I'm literally like, this is the worst game I've ever played. This is the worst game I've ever played. This is the worst game I've ever played.
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.
Are you ready to get on, Dina? It looks like I'm on cocaine or something. I'm not. Good night.